Are you about to initiate a change process in your organization? To avoid resistance, which often results from poor communication, your team must understand why change is necessary and how it will affect their daily work. The solution? Interactive video content to enhance their involvement and foster a change of perspective. The new interactive video page in simpleshow Video Maker adds powerful elements to your videos. In the AI-generated synopsis, your team can see the most important goals and benefits of the change process at a glance. An integrated link takes them directly to more information about the process. You can use the quiz to involve your employees and understand their opinions, concerns, or ideas. The analytics tool lets you see how your video is received, allowing you to improve your change management communications in real time. Get your messages across to your employees more effectively and ensure they are retained. Elevate viewer engagement with the new interactive video page from simpleshow.